How to hide birth year on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, I use iOS, so you'll have to do is go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this and menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here in audience and visibility section, you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. Here in about, okay, scroll down and go to basic info. Here in basic info, you can see the edit button on the right side. Okay, you can tap this and now here you can see the birthday section. So okay, here in birthday you can see the year and the year is set into public. So if you want to hide this or set to other, okay, you'll have to do is tap the public button on the right side of this year and the pop-up below are show and you can see the option. So you can set into public, friend, only me, or on this person. So okay guys, I decide to set into only me. So okay, we have successfully set into only me. So my birth year now is hide. And to save this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the save button on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the save button to successfully save the settings of your birthday. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully hide birth year on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.